Hello everyone, today I am going to make a delicate passion fruit mousse, a very popular dessert that I tried in Brazil and fell in love with the moment I tasted it. It is an incredibly simple dessert to make, but it has a rich and bright flavor, with a slightly tart note and a delicate texture. In Brazil, passion fruit mousse is served in almost every cafe and restaurant, and its popularity has even spread to Portugal. No wonder, since it is very light, refreshing, and literally melts in your mouth. The good news is that it can be made in just a few minutes with affordable ingredients. Passion fruit juice is easy to find in any store, but I use fresh fruit for maximum flavor and aroma. So if you like simple but spectacular desserts, give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the little bell so you don't miss any new delicious videos. Let's get started. 3 medium passion fruits, 7.6 ounces. 13.5 fluid ounces of cold heavy cream or Greek yogurt, 1 can, 14 ounces, of condensed milk. To prepare the passion fruit juice, first cut the fruit and then carefully remove the pulp. I got pulp from 3 fruits. We pass it through a sieve to remove the seeds, but do not throw them away, as they are edible and give an acidic touch that will perfectly complement the mousse and which we will use to decorate. Whip the cream first at low speed and then at high speed for about 1 minute. Add the condensed milk and continue to whip at high speed for another 3 minutes until the mixture is clumpy. Add the passion fruit juice and continue to whip on low speed. If your mixer does not have this feature, use a silicone spatula to gently blend by hand. The mousse will thicken very quickly, so prepare the bowls you will be pouring it into ahead of time. Allow the mousse to set in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. You will be able to taste it immediately, but it will be softer and less dense. This is how delicate, aromatic, and refreshing passion fruit mousse is. Notice its airy texture, it literally melts in your mouth. The combination of the sweetness of the condensed milk and the slight acidity of the passion fruit creates a dessert with a perfectly balanced flavor. Plus, it only takes a few minutes to make. If you like unusual desserts or want to try something new, make this mousse and you'll love it. It's also a great way to entertain your guests, minimal effort and amazing results. If you don't have time to wait, you can eat the mousse as soon as it's cooked. But if you let it rest in the refrigerator, it will get a denser and silkier texture. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think of this dessert. Share it with your friends, the more the merrier. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss any new delicious recipes. Gracias por acompañarme. Buena suerte y nos vemos en el próximo video.